Hi, this is Jan with IQRF, and in this video we'll show you how you can modify your device configuration, update software such as DPA plugins, custom DPA handler, or even upgrade an IQRF operating system using an over-the-air feature in an IQRF network. You will use this mechanism, for example, if you need to change your password for security reasons or other configuration parameters throughout your network, or if you want to update your software for better functionality. You don't need to remove IQRF transceivers from devices. You will do everything wirelessly using an existing network. First, let's show a password change across the network. In IQ Mesh Network Manager, on the Control tab, find TR config item, select all nodes, and click Configure TR. On the Security tab, set a new password and click Upload. Double-check changes that would result in network malfunction, such as setting a different RF channel. Similarly, modify the coordinator configuration. To apply the changes, click Restart TR. You can also modify other configuration parameters, such as enabling DP2P or custom DPA handler. If you have a new DPA plugin ready for upload in the project, check the selected plugin file from project in the upload window. Select the destination device, external EEPROM address, we use the hexadecimal address 800, and click Run all steps. The selected file is wirelessly transferred to external EEPROM memory. Then, it's checked and finally copied to flash memory. To define the address in the external EEPROM, you should know the target device so you don't overwrite important data in memory. Similarly, you can upload the custom DPA handler you have prepared in the project. You can create own custom DPA handler or use handlers provided within the IQRF startup package, or download the IQRF Interoperable handler from the IQRF repository. You can find a list of handlers of IQRF Interoperable devices on IQRFalliance.org website in the section IQRF Interoperability. Here you can download the selected custom DPA handler. Using IQRF IDE, you can automatically update handlers of IQRF interoperable devices throughout the network. To check the handlers of network devices, click the Check IQRF Repository for Updates button in the IQ Mesh Network Manager. In our example, we have 3 IQRF interoperable devices in the network, and for one of them we can get a newer custom DPA handler for current DPA plugin and operating system. We will update it. We can also save custom DPA handlers used in our network into the project. The most difficult operation is to upgrade the operating system. Treat it very carefully and responsibly. On the IQRF Technology website, find the IQRF DPA Framework Technical Guide and the chapter Over-the-Air Upgrade of IQRF OS and DPA. Follow it step by step. First, upload a special custom DPA handler, change IQRF OS, to all nodes and the coordinator. It can be found in the IQRF startup package for the operating system and DPA plugin version you have in your network. Okay, we have successfully got to the phase 2. It is important to enable the special over-the-air custom DPA handler at this point. Enable using of the special over-the-air custom DPA handler in all nodes and in a coordinator. First, do it on all nodes. Second, allow using the custom DPA handler on a coordinator. You can do the network enumeration to get current data about the network. In this phase, we can check the hardware profile ID. Then, upload the change file to all nodes and to the coordinator. Be careful to select the correct file. Its name always specifies the version of the original operating system and the DPA plugin, and the version of the new operating system and the DPA plugin. Let's look to the IQRF OS upgrade. In the first phase, we will set up everything on the node side. Now, let's show what to do with the coordinator. The process is very similar, but be careful to do it as shown. You may need to upgrade in a few steps. The complexity of the process depends on how many successive steps you need to do to make the whole upgrade. All necessary IQRF startup packages you will find in the archive. In this example, we upgrade the operating system 4.00 to 4.02 and DPA plugin from 3.00 to 3.01. In this video, we showed how to change the network device configuration, how to upload the new DPA plugin and the custom DPA handler, and finally, we showed the more complex task of upgrading the operating system. Keep in mind that the IQRF network allows you to do software and setup updates via the over-the-air function, and the process is usually very simple. Learn more about the IQRF technology on YouTube in the IQRF channel. Use IQRF interoperable products. Simply.